Okay, guys, I found a brand new way to actually get big in Animal Company insanely fast. First you want to do is get a bunch of fireworks in a backpack, go to this fan, then walk all the way over here to this like random valley area, I guess, and then there'll be this tiny slit in the wall. So kind of aim like right there in between the lines and that weird thing, like that. And then you'll instantly be in here. So, okay, now we can go down here to the world. Oh my god, bro. Need a few more? Yeah, so this is a really easy way to get big and maybe troll people, I guess. No!